Brother Louis. Brother Louis, where are you going? Hi, brother. Come on. Ganahan kini siya. Hey, brother. Come on, brother. Brother Louis. CNY? What's that? What is CNY? Oh my god. What's that, Kara? Go get the ball. Nandiyan na siya dala. Ay. CNY. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Hi, brother. Where have you been, oy? Were you always busy? My goodness. Brother Louis is always busy, running. Looking for the birds. My goodness. What's the time? Seems it's already morning. I see the sky, so beautiful and blue. The TV's on. It's Wendy. Supper Wendy here. Wendy here. Here. Aray ko, mama. TikTok is back now. Yes. It's not banned here in the Philippines. That was from US, but the next day it's okay. It's back okay now in US, but here in the Philippines it's okay. Hello, Tyrone. Thanks for joining, Tyrone. Good evening to you. Welcome to my live. Good evening. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining, Sir Tyrone. Backward, love. Backward. That dog is so cute. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, she loves catching the ball. More backward, love. Oh, lovely. You are young, Tyrone.